Alright, so what we have here is majority of the exhaust piping from out the car, and so right here is where the catalytic converter usually is, but as you can see, there isn't one here. So what we got to fix that problem is a flex pipe. So this flex pipe is basically going to take this spot right here where the cat used to be at, and it's going to route that exhaust coming from that engine instead of just coming out here like it was in that last video. It'll route it through this muffler and the other muffler that's in the back of the car, where you see the little exit at. Alright everyone, so what I got here are two 2-inch U-bolt clamps. You can see what they look like. So basically how these work, you have your U-bolt, and it goes into this bracket, and you have two nuts that you tighten up on it. And basically it squeezes the pipe, the outside pipe, onto the inside pipe. We're going to use these two to secure this flex pipe onto these two pipes, and that should quiet down our car. much better. Sounds much better. We got y'all can't see it, but I feel the air coming out the back of here. Alright, so we finally got the exhaust installed on the car. It sounds much better than before. Way quieter for whoever buys it, so we'll call that a success. And I'll see you in the next one.